Hello, everybody. Well, we're home from our big trip, and it was very successful. We found what we were looking for. We found a wonderful place that we can stay in the hot, hot summer because it's not very hot there. So we are officially snowbirds. So we're on to our next fun-filled activity. So I want to show you what we're doing. So I went to Lowe's and I bought 5 of these chairs and 5 of these buckets and 5 of these bins. I like these kind because they have a handle here. So I'm going to see how that fits on the chair. And that is going to be our little planters. We're going to have a chair garden. So I got one here, one over there. What do you think, buddy? Neat? I've got 2 over here. I think they get the most sunshine right here. Precious, what are you doing, girl? Oh, you found the cement. Good job. Baby Kiki. And I've got one more over here. Oh, that's a banana peel hanging on the fence. I'm trying to see how long it takes for a banana peel to totally dry out. See, as you can see here, this one doesn't get as much sun. But the cool thing about the chairs and the bins is you can move them around. So you can get the sun or you can get the shade as you please. Also bought these dog fences. See here? So I can corral the dogs while I'm working. Mostly too, so Precious doesn't fall down the hill. So the nice thing about gardening this way is that you don't have to bend over. See, everything is just right here. You don't have to bend over to the ground. Boy, the birds have a lot to say today, huh? Look at all of them up there. And just a little bit ago, I was looking at one of these flagpoles around here, and there were 2 woodpeckers hanging on the edge of the flagpole. So I decided to line them all up here just to get started, and then we'll see where we can move them around if we need to for the sun. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Adios. Be sure and like, subscribe, leave a comment, and ring the bell. Jesus loves you. 2020 is your victory. Adios. Mwah.